solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the federal government of the Republic of Nigeria, that as a commissioner in Edo State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereign integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
Next is Isoken Omo.
This na work we don't start before, so for them to call us back means say the work dey ground for us to finish. So we thank God for the opportunity when Edo State people give us, when Governor give us, and we want to assure them say we'll continue to do the work, we'll do our best, make Edo great again.